Mechatronics is really diverse. It's kind of hard to explain. When I first heard about it, I thought it was a transformer. What it really is, it's a combination of a bunch of different fields under one umbrella. So Mechatronics is mechanical, electrical, pneumatic, hydraulic, and general maintenance. Spending the time to actually build a strong foundation, learning all of that, and making sure that I'm really good at that is going to be pivotal, because this is a field that there's going to be so many jobs opening up because there's so few skilled laborers and so many people are retiring that the demand is going to be high. This is definitely a great program. I understand this stuff more than I ever have in the past, and I'm excited at the possibilities, because once I start understanding this, now I can see how this can happen. It's a domino effect. You start seeing everything fall into place. I would highly recommend this program to anybody.